At number 2, we have Minetom Christmas Lights Laser Projector, the best value Christmas light projector. This projector excels in delivering vibrant and festive displays. Its waterproof feature truly shines, ensuring your lights sparkle, rain or shine. No need to worry about snow or winter storms. You can effortlessly transform your home into a winter wonderland without haste. Setting up this projector is a breeze. It includes sturdy mounting equipment that withstands even the strongest winter winds. Stability means you won't have to worry about repositioning your projector every time a gust hits. One standout aspect is its ease of use. Simply plug it in, adjust the angle, and watch your house come alive with cheerful lights. This model shines compared to others that can be complicated or require extensive assembly. However, those seeking a plethora of light settings might find it a touch limited. While some competitors offer customizable options, this model focuses on straightforward functionality. This simplicity can actually be a plus, especially for those who prefer hassle-free decorations during the busy holiday season. What I love most about this projector is how it spreads festive cheer. It creates a magical ambiance effortlessly. If you're in the market for an affordable and reliable outdoor projector, consider Minetom's offering. It makes holiday decorating easy and joyful, making it the best value Christmas light projector available. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.